These are school-based management committee members from the 20 local government education authorities across Lagos. They are here for a capacity building workshop organized by the Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board, LASUBEB, with the goal of enhancing community involvement in the development of basic education and improving school operations in the state.
We cannot but overemphasize the vital roles being played by you when it comes to the development of our school system in all ramifications. Is it about academic activities? Is it about the children learning outcomes? Is it about infrastructural developments? You have played so many roles that has become so important that it has formed a kind of a springboard.
One of the major issues discussed at the event is the enrollment of out-of-school children.
We want the community to participate in school development, and government cannot do everything alone, and cannot do everything alone, and that's the reason why the SBMC are acting as a link between the school and the government and the community. So therefore, so that the community will participate more in our school development.
Chairman of the board, Dr. Hakeem Shitu, commended SBMC members for a job well done so far.
I have to use the opportunity to appreciate them very well. They have been doing a very great job, and they are not only recognized in Lagos State. I want to say that even at the national body, the UBEC level, they recognize the Lagos State SBMC, that they are really working and they are feeling the effect of their work, and they see. I want to use the opportunity to encourage them to do more.
Participants say the workshop has added more value to their capacity as SBMC members.
No knowledge that is waste. What we heard today, I gain a lot from what they are saying about the enrollment of the out-of-school students.
For us here in Lagos State, we enjoy what is called capacity building at all times in order for us to improve. School improvement is very important. And how would the school improve? How would the development take place if we're not being trained? Training capacity helps us a lot, and it brings us together to showcase what we have in the school together and in our LGEA. This program cannot come other than this time, because the school will be resuming in September, and it is whatever our capacity is being built on that will showcase whenever we resume in September.
They also highlight some of the challenges they face in the discharge of their duties.
I am looking at a situation whereby the relationship between SBMC, government, and the community where we are situated at is much more cordial.
If you look at the slogan of SBMC, when we say SBMC, and School-Based Management Committee, SBMC, School Development Education, then voluntary. That voluntary is the aspect of it that is affect people. Though we are doing it voluntarily, but no, it's not everybody that can do voluntary job now as it is because of what is happening. We are doing it with all our strength, but they need to encourage us.
The school-based management committees were established to provide support for schools and their communities.